Between Renault cars and the French, it's a long love story. But for several years, the French #1 car brand has been perceived as a family brand, lacking the sexiness to seduce younger and adventurous people. With the Renault Captur launch in 2013, a small urban crossover, edgy, sleek and built for leisure, Renault holds a golden opportunity to show France they still have a common desire to live each moment to the full. Take the example of Paul, typical French guy, 34 years old. He loves music and leisure. He wants to live intensely. We want him to take notice of Renault Captur's new lines and wild spirit. Our challenge? To surprise Paul enough to make him pay attention to Renault's evolution. Our idea? Using a media which is wrongly seen as non-innovative, press, and offer a never-seen-before experience to Paul while reading his favorite magazine, Les Un Rock, the French referent magazine for music news. The Captur invited itself in the September issue with a bold and intense operation based on augmented reality. The car flirted with Paul from the headlines to the rubrics and was fully integrated in the editorial line of the magazine. Paul's reading was punctuated by a series of markers he could activate with his smartphone to discover exclusive contents. Captur offered him a reinvented reading experience and was well seen. Paul and nearly 110 other thousand Inrocks readers registered on the Operation Digital Space. Many other French saw it too. M6, the third French TV channel, presented this ultra-innovative operation as well as many press and influent blogs. This campaign has participated in the successful launch of the car. With outstanding sales figures, Renault Captur took its segment lead in front of Nissan Juke and Peugeot 2008. By the way, Paul, thanks a lot for that.